I think it's been a while since I have talked about a face mask on my channel, right? But today is the day. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly and welcome to another review. Now I love to review new skincare products for you guys, and today we are gonna talk about a very underrated brand and their product. Now today is the day of Seer Secret Pore Minimizing Clay Gel. I just posted about it on my story, but that is not long lasting, so just do a long lasting video, okay? So today is the day of Seer Secrets. Now this is a pore minimizing clay gel, and this particular product helps to resurface your skin and just vibrates your skin for a little bit and also helps to energize your skin. So we are going to talk about all the pros and cons. We are going to go in depth with this product because I have tried this product for more than over 3 months, and you can just see it's almost finished. So obviously you will know that I am already liking this product, but I want to say a couple of things about this product as well. So if you want to know my whole viewpoint about this product, then please keep on watching. Now the key ingredients which are mentioned in this product are Sabdurifa tea, Sabdurifa extract, xanthan gum, carrageenan powder, glycerin, retinoic acid, vitamin C, aloe vera juice, lactic acid, EDTA, red iron oxide and Optifen. Now you have to understand the fact that if you are allergic to aloe vera, you might want to stay out from this product because the base of this product is aloe vera juice, not water. Okay, so it retails for 568 rupees for 40 grams of product, which is pretty high. Now I haven't seen a lot of review about this product, so I just went ahead. I bought this from Smitten, which is an app. I think I have shared a haul video regarding this product as well, so I will link it up in the eye if I can find that one out. So it's basically a pore minimizing gel which actually helps to minimize your open pores that you have right here around the nose, right? So for a person like me who has a lot of oil glands all over on her face, body and scalp, it's a fact that she will have some pores, and I do have a lot of pores and I accumulate a lot of blackheads as well. Blackheads and my nose are BFF and I cannot just help it. Now whenever you will apply it, I just want to let you know that it will tingle a little bit. It will give you a very cooling effect, which is fine with any facial mask. And for a pore minimizing clay gel, which is a clay gel, which is the basic thing, so it will tingle a little bit. I will say this is not really good for sensitive skin, but it can go with dry and oily skin. Okay, I have started using this product from March and I was using it once a week. Now they have mentioned to use it twice a week. Overuse can harm your skin. If you are expecting a positive sign, you can expect a negative sign as well. So I was using it only once a week because it's pretty effective. Okay, it's not something which is not effective at all. It's pretty effective. It tingles. To resurface your face, it will take some time, so just don't go overboard with this product especially. So it will take almost 5 to 6 days to resurface, so that's why I was using it once a week. So when I started using it for the first use, I felt like it was tingling like no one's business. But when I washed it off, it felt so soothing, like my skin was feeling so cool down and all of that. So I really liked this product, and personally I felt it helped to suck the excess oil from my face, which actually cannot be sucked by the face wash and the scrub as well. I am not on the path of scrub right now because I am chemically exfoliating my skin. I'm not physically exfoliating my skin any longer. Now the texture of this product is very thicker, as you can see, and it will dry down your skin like this within 5 minutes. So you need a facial mist or anything of that sorts. You can literally put any water in your spray bottle and you can spritz it after 5 minutes, because clay gel actually cracks your skin, which actually sucks the moisture from your face, which is not a good thing. Even if you have oily skin, you have to take care of this. The clay gels are supposed to be thick, and so this is. So now I'm gonna put a clip where I will be showing you how I have used this product and what it did to my skin. So let's move on to the clip now, and after that I will be right back. Now I have totally dry face, as you can see, so I like to apply clay gel on a damp face, because on a damp face clay mask works much better. So I'm gonna go on with my clay mask right now, but before that I'm gonna damp my face. Okay, so my face is now damped with all the watery goodness. Now we're gonna use this clay gel. Now, as I have mentioned, the pore minimizing clay gel works, I mean any clay gel works on a deeper level when you have damped face. So that's why I always damp my face whenever I use any clay gel. It's tingling. I think as of today I cannot keep it for more than 10 minutes. You are supposed to keep this for 15 minutes, but it's tingling like no one's business. I have shaved my face yesterday. That's why maybe it's tingling this much, because all the dead skin cells have been removed, all the pores are opened, so it's very bare face, so it's very tingling. So guys, as you can see, I have removed my clay gel and I'm looking so refreshed, and I'm feeling so refreshed as well, because all the dirts have gone, all the pores are now minimized. And now we are gonna go with a mild facial mist, because right now I don't want any other harsh chemical on my face that will react and I will get a breakout, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna go with my face mist, which will actually give me hydration, which will not do anything to my face actually, but will give me a right amount of hydration. That's a long shower that I have taken. So as you have seen the clip, you already know that I love this product. I have already said it in my intro. All in all, I will say the Sia Secret brand itself is a very underrated brand. It's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money from Smitten. I will put the link of my haul in the description box. It's not biased video, okay? It's very unbiased thought that I wanted to put about this product into a long-term video mode, which I can see after 5 years. I will say, if you are facing some pores, because I can feel it, okay? Many of my friends have very large pores all over on this area. I don't have that much large pores, but they are quite visible, quite like tiny bit. I will give a link for you guys in the description box. You can check that one out from there, or you can search whatever you want, whatever you prefer, you can do. So to sum up, I will say it really helps to resurface your face, and it gives the energetic effect because it really helps to cool down your skin, which I really like. And I think it helps to remove the excess oil from your face, which is a very good thing. And fourth, I think it's a very good clay gel, right amount of texture, right amount of thickness that it has. So highly recommend you guys to go for it. I really liked it. This was my in-depth thought about this particular product. If you want to see some other reviews, you can go for multiple reviews, of course. Skin is different, so skincare is also very subjective. A product is working for me, that doesn't mean that will work for you as well, but 90% will work because I am testing it and I am just giving my unbiased review. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And before skipping this video, if you are new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye.